The stars have guided humanity for centuries, revealing hidden truths and unlocking mysteries of the soul. Your zodiac sign, rooted in the moment you were born, holds the key to understanding who you are and how you navigate the world. But what do these signs really say about you? Are you driven by the fiery passion of Aries, or do you possess the nurturing qualities of Cancer? In this exploration, we will uncover the unique traits, strengths, and challenges that each of the 12 zodiac signs brings to your life. The zodiac is more than just a horoscope, it's a powerful tool for self-discovery, offering insights that can transform how you see yourself and others. Whether you're skeptical or a believer, there's something profoundly fascinating about the idea that the cosmos has a direct influence on our personalities and destinies. So, what does your zodiac sign reveal about you? Let's dive deep into the wisdom of the stars and find out. Imagine navigating through life without a map, never understanding why you make certain choices or why you react the way you do in specific situations. Ignoring the insights provided by your zodiac sign is like overlooking a valuable guidebook to your own soul. Each sign carries its own set of strengths, challenges, and life lessons, and understanding these can help you make better decisions, improve your relationships, and align more closely with your true purpose. By neglecting this ancient wisdom, you risk missing out on the profound self-awareness that can lead to personal growth and fulfillment. It's not just about knowing your sign, it's about understanding the deeper meanings behind it and how they influence every aspect of your life. The stakes are high because this knowledge can empower you to live a life that's in harmony with the universe, or leave you struggling against unseen forces, unaware of the reasons behind your successes and failures. By the end of this journey, you'll see how the zodiac isn't just a fun diversion, but a powerful tool for transformation. Aries, the first sign of the zodiac, is ruled by Mars, the planet of war and energy. If you were born under this sign, you likely possess a fierce drive and a pioneering spirit. Aries individuals are known for their courage and determination. They are natural leaders, often taking the initiative and charging forward where others hesitate. This fiery sign is all about action, often leading with their head, sometimes quite literally, as Aries is associated with the head in the body. People born under Aries tend to be confident, enthusiastic, and passionate. They thrive in environments where they can assert their independence and take on new challenges. However, their impulsive nature can sometimes lead them into conflicts or hasty decisions. The challenge for Aries is to learn patience and to think before they act. Their warrior spirit, while a strength, can also be their downfall if not tempered with wisdom and consideration for others. Aries is a sign that craves excitement and adventure. They are not content with sitting on the sidelines and prefer to be at the forefront of whatever is happening. Their energy is contagious, inspiring others to take action and pursue their goals with vigor. In relationships, Aries can be incredibly loyal and protective, but they also need a partner who can match their intensity and keep up with their dynamic pace. Understanding the Aries spirit is about recognizing the power of initiation and the importance of channeling that energy in constructive ways. Taurus, the second sign of the zodiac, is ruled by Venus, the planet of love, beauty, and abundance. Those born under this sign are known for their practicality, reliability, and a strong desire for stability in all areas of life. Taurus individuals are the builders of the zodiac, grounded in reality and deeply connected to the material world. They value comfort, security, and the pleasures that life has to offer. If you are a Taurus, you likely have a strong work ethic and a patient approach to achieving your goals. You understand that good things take time, and you are willing to put in the effort to ensure lasting success. Taurus is a sign that values consistency and persistence, often seen as the rock upon which others can rely. This steadfastness is both a strength and a potential weakness, as it can lead to stubbornness and resistance to change. Taurus individuals have a deep appreciation for the finer things in life. Whether it's good food, beautiful surroundings, or the warmth of a loving relationship, they seek to create an environment that is both comfortable and aesthetically pleasing. In relationships, Taurus is devoted and loyal, often going to great lengths to provide for and protect their loved ones. However, they also need to guard against possessiveness and the tendency to become overly attached to material possessions or routines. Understanding Taurus is about recognizing the value of patience, perseverance, and the beauty of life's simple pleasures. Gemini, the third sign of the zodiac, is ruled by Mercury, the planet of communication, intellect, and curiosity. Geminis are known for their quick wit, adaptability, and a seemingly insatiable thirst for knowledge. This air sign thrives on mental stimulation and is always on the lookout for new ideas, experiences, and connections. If you are a Gemini, you likely possess a versatile mind, capable of juggling multiple interests and projects at once. Gemini individuals are often described as social butterflies, enjoying the company of others and engaging in lively conversations. They have a natural gift for communication, able to express their thoughts clearly and persuasively. However, this duality can also make them appear unpredictable or inconsistent, as they are constantly seeking new experiences and can quickly become bored with routine. In relationships, Geminis are fun, engaging, and intellectually stimulating partners. They value mental connection and need a partner who can keep up with their rapid flow of ideas and interests. However, their restless nature can sometimes make it challenging for them to settle down or commit to one path. The key for Gemini is to find balance in their lives, learning to focus their energy on what truly matters while still allowing themselves the freedom to explore and grow. Understanding Gemini is about embracing change, staying curious, and recognizing the power of communication in connecting with the world around you. Cancer, the fourth sign of the zodiac, is ruled by the moon, the celestial body that governs emotions, intuition, and the inner self. Those born under this sign are deeply connected to their feelings and the feelings of others, making them natural caregivers and protectors. If you are a Cancer, you likely possess a strong sense of empathy and a deep desire to nurture and support those you love. Cancer individuals are known for their sensitivity, loyalty, and the ability to create a sense of home wherever they go. They are often the emotional backbone of their families and friendships, offering comfort and understanding to those in need. However, this deep emotional connection can also make them vulnerable to mood swings and the tendency to retreat into their shells when feeling hurt or overwhelmed. In relationships, Cancer is incredibly devoted and often prioritizes the well-being of their loved ones above their own. They seek deep emotional connections and need to feel secure and valued in their relationships. However, they must be careful not to become overly dependent or clingy, as their fear of abandonment can sometimes lead to possessiveness or withdrawal. The key for Cancer is to find balance in giving and receiving love, ensuring that their nurturing nature is both a source of strength and a path to personal growth. Understanding Cancer is about recognizing the power of emotion, the importance of family and home, and the need to nurture both oneself and others. Leo, the fifth sign of the zodiac, is ruled by the Sun, the center of our solar system, symbolizing life, vitality, and self-expression. Those born under this sign are known for their charisma, confidence, and natural ability to lead. If you are a Leo, you likely possess a magnetic personality that draws others to you. Leos are often seen as the kings and queens of the zodiac, with a strong sense of pride and a desire to make their mark on the world. Leos are generous, warm-hearted, and have a deep need to be appreciated and admired. They thrive in the spotlight and enjoy being the center of attention, but they are also deeply loyal to those they love. However, this need for recognition can sometimes lead to arrogance or an inflated sense of self-importance. The challenge for Leo is to balance their desire for admiration with humility and a genuine concern for others. In relationships, Leos are passionate and devoted partners who enjoy showering their loved ones with affection and grand gestures. They need to feel special and valued in their relationships, and they often go out of their way to make their partners feel the same. However, their strong personality can sometimes overshadow others, and they must learn to share the stage and allow others to shine as well. Understanding Leo is about recognizing the importance of self-expression, the power of leadership, and the value of generosity and loyalty. Virgo, the sixth sign of the zodiac, is ruled by Mercury, the planet of communication and intellect, but unlike Gemini, Virgo's energy is more focused on detail, analysis, and practicality. Those born under this sign are known for their meticulous nature, strong work ethic, and a deep desire to be of service to others. If you are a Virgo, you likely have a keen eye for detail and a strong sense of responsibility. Virgos are often seen as the perfectionists of the zodiac, constantly striving to improve themselves and their surroundings. They are highly analytical, with a natural ability to solve problems and organize chaos. However, their attention to detail can sometimes lead to overthinking or a tendency to be overly critical, both of themselves and others. The challenge for Virgo is to find balance between their desire for perfection and the acceptance of life's imperfections. In relationships, Virgos are supportive and reliable partners who show their love through practical actions rather than grand romantic gestures. They value honesty, integrity, and a deep emotional connection, but they can sometimes struggle with expressing their feelings openly. Virgos need to learn to let go of their need for control and embrace the spontaneity and unpredictability of life. Understanding Virgo is about recognizing the value of service, the importance of detail, and the power of humility and self-improvement. Libra, the seventh sign of the zodiac, is ruled by Venus, the planet of love, beauty, and balance. Those born under this sign are known for their diplomatic nature, love of harmony, and a strong sense of justice. If you are a Libra, you likely have a natural ability to see both sides of a situation and a deep desire to create balance in your relationships and surroundings. Libras are often seen as the peacemakers of the zodiac, striving to maintain harmony and avoid conflict at all costs. They have a strong aesthetic sense and a love for beauty, often drawn to art, music, and all things that are pleasing to the senses. However, their desire for balance can sometimes lead to indecision, as they struggle to weigh all options before making a choice. The challenge for Libra is to learn to make decisions confidently and to recognize that sometimes conflict is necessary for growth. In relationships, Libras are loving and romantic partners who value equality and mutual respect. They are skilled at creating harmony in their relationships and are often very attentive to the needs and desires of their partners. However, they must be careful not to lose themselves in their quest for balance, as they can sometimes put the needs of others before their own. Understanding Libra is about recognizing the importance of balance, the power of beauty, and the value of fairness and justice. Scorpio, the eighth sign of the zodiac, is ruled by Pluto, the planet of transformation, power, and regeneration. Those born under this sign are known for their intensity, passion, and deep emotional depth. If you are a Scorpio, you likely possess a magnetic presence that draws others to you, along with a powerful ability to transform yourself and your surroundings. Scorpios are often seen as the most intense and mysterious sign of the zodiac, with a natural ability to delve deep into the hidden aspects of life. They are unafraid to confront the darker sides of themselves and others, often embracing change and transformation as a necessary part of growth. However, their intensity can sometimes lead to a tendency towards obsession or possessiveness. The challenge for Scorpio is to channel their powerful emotions in constructive ways and to learn to let go of the need for control. In relationships, Scorpios are passionate and loyal partners who crave deep, meaningful connections. They value honesty and authenticity, and they are often very protective of their loved ones. However, their intense nature can sometimes make them prone to jealousy or suspicion, and they must learn to trust and open up to others fully. Understanding Scorpio is about recognizing the power of transformation, the importance of emotional depth, and the value of honesty and trust in relationships. Sagittarius, the ninth sign of the zodiac, is ruled by Jupiter, the planet of expansion, growth, and exploration. Those born under this sign are known for their adventurous spirit, love of freedom, and an insatiable curiosity about the world. If you are a Sagittarius, you likely possess a strong desire to explore new horizons, both physically and intellectually. Sagittarians are often seen as the wanderers of the zodiac, always seeking new experiences and knowledge. They have a deep love of travel, philosophy, and anything that broadens their understanding of the world. However, their love of freedom can sometimes make them restless or commitment-averse. The challenge for Sagittarius is to balance their desire for exploration with the need for stability and to learn that true growth often comes from within. In relationships, Sagittarians are fun-loving and open-minded partners who value honesty and independence. They need a partner who can match their sense of adventure and who is comfortable giving them the space they need to explore. However, they must be careful not to prioritize their own freedom over the needs of their relationship. Understanding Sagittarius is about recognizing the importance of exploration, the power of knowledge, and the value of freedom balanced with responsibility. Capricorn, the 10th sign of the zodiac, is ruled by Saturn, the planet of discipline, structure, and responsibility. Those born under this sign are known for their ambition, determination, and a strong desire to achieve their goals. If you are a Capricorn, you likely possess a natural ability to plan, organize, and execute tasks with precision and focus. Capricorns are often seen as the builders of the zodiac, with a deep understanding of the importance of hard work and perseverance. They are highly disciplined and are willing to put in the time and effort needed to achieve long-term success. However, their focus on achievement can sometimes lead to a tendency to be overly serious or rigid. The challenge for Capricorn is to balance their drive for success with the need for relaxation and enjoyment of life. In relationships, Capricorns are loyal and dependable partners who take their commitment seriously. They value stability and are often very protective of their loved ones. However, they must be careful not to let their work or ambitions overshadow their personal relationships. Understanding Capricorn is about recognizing the value of discipline, the importance of long-term planning, and the power of ambition tempered with compassion and flexibility. The zodiac signs offer a profound window into our personalities, strengths, and challenges, guiding us on our journey of self-discovery and personal growth. By understanding the unique traits and characteristics of each sign, we can gain valuable insights into ourselves and those around us. Whether you are an Aries with a warrior spirit, a Cancer with a nurturing soul, or a Capricorn with a relentless drive for success, the stars provide a map to help navigate the complexities of life. Each sign carries its own wisdom, offering lessons that can help us become more aware, compassionate, and connected to the world around us. By embracing the knowledge of the zodiac, we can learn to appreciate our own strengths and weaknesses, find harmony in our relationships, and align more closely with our true purpose. The journey through the zodiac is one of self-empowerment, helping us to better understand who we are and how we can live our lives with greater intention and fulfillment. So, what do the stars say about you? The answers lie within, waiting to be discovered. As you continue to explore the mysteries of the zodiac, remember that each sign is a piece of the puzzle, contributing to the rich tapestry of who you are. Embrace this ancient wisdom, and let it guide you on your path to self-awareness and spiritual evolution.